With spaces getting smaller, many fridges are seeing a surge in popularity. They're perfect for small spaces at home, at the office, or even in the RV. Whether you want one for your dorm room, garage, or media room, the need to maximize space is ever increasing, and people want more out of this compact and multi-purpose alternative. The most popular use for the mini fridge is the dorm room, making back-to-school shopping a popular time to snag some deals. These small refrigerators are also widely used in the office, RV, garage, and, as the population ages, to store medications and other temperature-sensitive or medical materials. With so many models and brands available, whatever your purpose and space consideration, there is a mini fridge that will fit your needs. Only buy a mini fridge that uses a compressor for cooling, not a thermoelectric element. They don't get cold enough to keep food safe to eat. Look for mini fridges that have a full-width freezer spanning the entire width of the fridge, so you have more space for frozen food. Some models have a much smaller freezer compartment. Avoid cube-shaped fridges if you have the space. They don't hold very much and aren't that much cheaper. Avoid two-door mini fridges as well. They have a hard time holding consistent temperatures.